Wuok e gwenge mag Apokor mayudre Teso South County Mabusia koro sundo kambi makeo teko stima mapacho ka KPLC mondo duoknegi transformer mane gimayogi kendo weyogi e mudho. Ywak ni en juma chiel sani nyaka ne magi transformer kendo jodak kod sikunde makono koro dakie mudho ka tudruok gi tend kambino bade Mabusia osegore Luanda. Gimedo ni kambino bende ojwang'o tijgi ka sirni auchiel duto mag stima olire genga paya kendo chiegni lwar gino makelo luoro mokalo mar masira mawuok gi stima. Jodak go koro dwaro ni piny owacho mondo koro wel jotelo mag kambi mar stima no bade Mabusia magiwacho ni tich osetamo.
We are really suffering. Now, Apokor Secondary School principal is preparing students. Apokor Primary School is preparing students for grade 6 exams and class 8 exams. Right now, there are so many things that need electricity. But now this, because of the corruption, where these people just came and picked this transformer and they decided to take it. We are wondering what is wrong with the Kenya Power. And actually, we are aware that these people came and took the transformer and took it somewhere else, not the way they are purporting it to be for repair. So we are appealing to the government. We are appealing to the stakeholders, those that are in charge. We are appealing to the commissioners of the Kenya Power. We are appealing to CEO Muli to take action and ensure that this transformer is brought back.
Tumepiga simu, tumefanya, wanasema they are following up, lakini sasa vile tumeongea hapa na wenzangu hapa, nafikiri we are giving Kenya Power 48 hours. Tunaenda kumobilize na Mheshimiwa Mary Emase, area MP. Tumepigia Governor Otuoma pia. Sasa on Tuesday tunaenda kumarch kwa ofisi la Kenya Power.
Na watu wa Kenya Power wamekuwa watu ambao wako na udhaifu mwingi kabisa. Na hatujui kama serikali inataka kufanya mabadiliko. Naomba serikali hii ya Ruto, with Dr. William Ruto, ambao sisi tumeunga mkono, tunataka atoe mikakati na alete another electrical company kando ya Kenya Power. Tukue na kampuni 2, 3, 4 ambazo zinaweza kufanya hii kazi. Kwa sababu uona hii shule, 1 week there is no